Starting your fitness journey can feel overwhelming. There's so much information out there, so many options, and sometimes it's hard to even know where to begin. But here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect, have a gym membership, or even buy fancy equipment to get started. All you need is the right mindset and a plan. In this guide, we'll break down how you can start your fitness journey step by step, no matter your experience level. Step 1. Define your why. Before anything else, ask yourself this. Why do you want to start your fitness journey? Is it to feel stronger, lose weight, gain confidence, improve your mental health? Your why is the foundation of your fitness journey, and it'll keep you motivated when things get tough. Write it down and keep it somewhere you'll see every day, on your fridge, your mirror, or your phone. Step 2. Set realistic goals. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is setting unrealistic goals. It's great to dream big, but start small. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose 30 pounds in 2 months," focus on consistent actions like exercising 3 times a week or drinking more water. Goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Example, I will go for a 20-minute walk 3 days a week for the next month. Step 3. Choose an activity you enjoy. Fitness isn't one size fits all. You don't have to run if you hate running or lift weights if it intimidates you. Experiment with different activities: walking, dancing, yoga, swimming, or even playing a sport. The best workout is the one you'll actually do consistently. So pick something that makes you feel good and excited to move. Step 4. Start small and build up. Don't dive into a 2-hour workout on day 1. It's a surefire way to burn out or get injured. Start with manageable sessions like 15, 20 minutes of light activity and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your body adapts. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about progress, not perfection. Step 5. Learn proper form. Whether you're lifting weights, doing yoga, or just stretching, proper form is crucial to prevent injuries and make the most of your workout. If you're unsure about your technique, don't be afraid to ask for help. Watch tutorials, hire a trainer for a session or 2, or join a beginner's class. Learning the basics now will save you from setbacks later. Step 6. Create a routine. Consistency is key to seeing results. Find a time that works for you, whether it's mornings, evenings, or during lunch breaks, and stick to it. Block off that time on your calendar like an important appointment. Starting with just 2-3 sessions a week is great. Once it becomes a habit, you can build from there. Step 7. Focus on nutrition. Exercise is just one part of the equation. What you eat plays a huge role in your fitness journey. You don't need to follow a strict diet or cut out all your favorite foods. Instead, focus on adding more whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Start small. Maybe swap soda for water or add a serving of veggies to your meals. These little changes add up over time. Starting your fitness journey isn't about being perfect. It's about taking that first step, no matter how small. Set realistic goals and focus on building habits that you can maintain for the long run. Fitness is for everyone, and it's never too late to start. So lace up your shoes, take that first step, and remember, you've got this.